So here's what I eat on my cheat day. My cheat day starts at 12 a.m. every Saturday, and you guys already know if I don't have my Miss Vicky's jalapeno chips in the house at that time, then I'm going out to get it. That is just a snack, so I still need some actual food that's gonna help fill me up, and you can't go wrong with a nice margarita pizza. My sleep schedule is way out of control, so I know I'm going to be hungry late at night, which is why I'm going to get myself a smash burger. And for me, it has to be a double smash burger. I can't just go with a single patty. And then finally, for some dessert, I rode all the way from the river to the sea for some beautiful Palestinian knafeh. And then we also got some Vimto. Okay, that's not bad. I usually go with my ginger ale, but I saw Vimto when I was getting my knafeh. It's a 6.5 out of 10. Speaking of kulfi, I found me some chai biscuit at the bottom of my freezer. Again, this is just the start of my cheat day. It's only 1:30 a.m. and for those who don't know, cheat days for me is just a day where I can pick out and I can eat whatever I want, and I focus mainly on fried foods, sweets, something fatty. And so throughout the week I usually try to eat something that's a bit more on schedule every 2 to 3 hours, more home cooked foods. It works for me. It just helps me keep some sort of routine in my daily eating habits.